What's going on, Forex execs? It's your boy DG, man. I'm back on these videos, man. I had some serious technical difficulties with my mic, with my computer, all of the above, but I'm back in the game now. So I'm gonna do a quick analysis on this EURUSD. I feel pretty good about this one. I think we got a nice a nice bullish opportunity. Hopefully, I can catch me about anywhere between 150 and 200 pips on this pair this week, and I'm about to get into why. First, I'm gonna start off on the monthly chart. First thing that catches my eyes, I got a nice little trend line right here. They got respected one time here. Then we came up, and we're right around that area again. So I'm looking for it to get respected one more time, just simply because the trend lines are so effective. And if you guys can see this blue horizontal dotted line that I have right here, this is a major key level that I've been keeping my eye on. And if you go back in the recent history, we got a couple retests here, a couple taps. See, I got a nice little tap here. Went bearish, went back bullish, got a nice little retest, respected that line again, came back down, broke it one good time, went bearish, retested it, went bullish, came back down for the retest. So I'm expecting another bullish turnout with this nice now resistance line, and also with this trend line sitting here. So this is just on the monthly, and I like to start off, or to be honest, me, Kanye, and Terrell, we all like to start off on the monthly and just keep on breaking down from there, and hopefully the same confluences are still are intact, and that's how we just feel so good about these plays. But going down to the weekly time chart, you just see it a little bit better. You see I still got this trend line right here. I'm right there. As soon as the market open up, if it opens up bearish, it should be ready to start testing this trend line. And you see I got this key level right here. And looking at it on the weekly, you can really see what I'm talking about how it's been respected just beautifully. This is one thing that I like to see. It's not real wicky. Every time it gets in that area and it tests it, it just does exactly what it just rejects it. One time right here, boom. Another time right here. Like I say, it broke over here, came back, retested it, long, came back down. We're going to get another retest, and I just expected the long. As far as how long I expect to long this pair, let me jump down to the daily real quick so you guys can kind of see my target. And then one thing, if you guys know anything about the way I like to trade, I love these ranging markets. So let me put a nice little horizontal line right here. And you can see, just in this time frame right here, this is what I love to see. I love to see these ranging markets at the end of a trend, because you see you was on a nice little bearish trend right here, just real bearish, and then it went flat, and now you're going to a consolidating market, and that's what I love to see right now. Honestly, I feel like this is where I'm at my best, because it's easy to trade. Just look, you go down, resistance, look for a signal. You'll find a better signal there on the H4, but you look for a signal, ride it up to the resistance. Same thing. Look for a signal, ride it down to the support, and just keep doing it. You just keep doing it till it breaks, and when it breaks, now you're trading a trending market. I just love these, to be honest. And like I say, what I'm gonna do now, with it getting close to this support right here, stay on the lower time frame, preferably H4. It's very rare that I go to the H1, but depending on how things are looking through the week, maybe I'll try it. But most likely I'll just stay on the H4, look for a nice price action. And then I'll be ready to ride it up to this resistance I got marked off right here. So, as I was saying, that's actually 250 pips. So, like I said, anytime I get 100 pips, I start thinking about pulling the trigger, because I'm only trying to get at least 200 pips a week. And I try to trade one to three trades. So, you do the math, I'm well over that objective. But if I can squeeze 250 out on just this one entry, that would definitely be golden. So, last but not least, just so you guys can see how this looks so effective, let me jump down to the 4 hour. And when I zoom out, you can just really see it. It's just ranging. Just nice ranging market. This is what I love right here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. All you see is M patterns and W patterns, and they're just doing exactly what it's supposed to do. So, like I say, I got about 20 pips until I really lock in on this pair. And I'll be looking for a nice bullish price action. It's going to take me up to this area right here. Even if I can get over here to this 1750. That's a good almost 200 pips. I'll be looking to get out right there also. But ultimately, if I can ride it up to the top, that'd be cool. But we're gonna see how this thing go, fellas. I mean, this is Euro USD. First pair I did my technicals on this week, and that just stood out to me. I think this is just an easy bullish opportunity. But we shall find out, man. Thanks for checking out my video. Y'all boys hit me up and let's